Hey guys, it's Mike Seuss, and today we're going to talk about how adding a dash cam to your Tesla can significantly improve its overall safety and security. You might be asking, why would I need a dash cam if Teslas are equipped with 8 cameras and Sentry Mode? Well, stay tuned because the answer might surprise you. Before we get started, I just want to thank VIOFO for sending me their flagship A229 Pro dashcam system so that I can show you guys all the benefits of adding a dashcam to your Tesla. VIOFO has been specializing in the design, development, and production of high-quality dashcams since 2011 and continues to innovate by incorporating cutting-edge technologies with every release. Before I show you all the benefits, let's see what's included in this system. Then we'll get it installed and test it out in the real world. And trust me, you're gonna want to see it. In the box, you get the A229 Pro dashcam, an interior camera, and a rear camera. You also get a trim removal tool, a CPL lens to reduce reflections, glare, and haze if needed, and the cables to connect and power the cameras. VIOFO also sent me their wireless Bluetooth remote control, a high-speed SD card, and a hardwire kit so that the camera can be powered by the 12 volts battery instead of using the Tesla's 12 volts port. Okay, let's get this bad boy installed. If you want, you can skip this part of the video by using the chapter bar below. First, we need to install the main camera, which is going to be placed on the right side of the rearview mirror. We'll peel off the backing and stick the camera directly to the windshield. After that, we'll run the power cable to the 12 volts outlet in the center console using the pry tool to hide the wire and keep things nice and clean. After that, we'll install the interior camera. This one is optional, but I'll install it for this video. To install it, we'll peel off the backing, stick it to the windshield on the left side of the rearview mirror, then connect its wire to the main camera, again, using the pry tool to conceal it. Lastly, we will install the rear camera, which is also optional. For this one, we'll peel off the backing and stick it to the top center of the rear windshield, then run the wire to the main camera, using the pry tool to hide the wire in the Tesla's trim. Since VIOFO also sent their Bluetooth controller, we'll install that as well. Just peel off the backing and stick it anywhere you can reach when needed. I don't want it to be visible, so I'm going to stick it to the bottom backside of the infotainment screen. Now that we have the entire dashcam installed, let's talk about its features and its advantages over Tesla's security systems. First off, the VIOFO A229 Pro features Sonus Starvis 2 image sensors which not only record in 4K resolution, but also feature a wider dynamic range and higher light sensitivity. This means you get HDR balance between light and shadows and less noise and motion blur so that you can make out license plates and faces from all 3 cameras while standing still or in motion, night or day. All of these features are way beyond what Tesla's cameras can do. Check out the side-by-side comparison. Not only are the cameras better in every way, but the interior camera features a light sensor and infrared LED lighting, which means unlike Tesla's interior camera, it can see in the dark, helping identify intruders and see exactly what they were doing inside your car.
Hello there.
Oh, no.
The A229 Pro features ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, which is used for transferring footage from all 3 cameras directly to your smartphone. An extremely useful feature and one that Teslas cannot do. It allows you to save, send, and show important footage when needed most, showing footage to law enforcement after an accident. You can also connect the camera directly to your smartphone or tablet using the included USB cable. Teslas feature Sentry Mode, which allows the car to record and save footage when it detects activity around your car. When you return to your car after an event happens, it will alert you of the incident and allow you to view up to 10 minutes of the footage which is captured before and after the incident. This is great, however, at times Sentry Mode will be activated at night, and if there is no lighting around, it will be hard for Tesla's cameras to see in low light. With the VIOFO Dashcam, you get 24/7 parking monitoring, which does the same as Sentry Mode, but you get better quality low light recordings that can be exported on the go. Also, unlike the Tesla, the Dashcam can record audio, which can provide more information in investigations by providing a more comprehensive perspective of the situation. If you're enjoying this content so far, consider subscribing to the channel for more great Tesla content. If you're wondering about recording space on the SD card, the A229 Pro features loop recording and auto emergency lock, meaning it supports seamless loop recording and overwrites the oldest videos with the last ones. With the built-in G sensor, the Dashcam will automatically lock the footage in case of collision or crash, recreating the accident scene for your peace of mind. While we're on this subject, let's talk about that Bluetooth remote control. In addition to automatically locking the footage in a collision or a crash, this little device features a large button that lets you manually lock the footage whenever you need to. It also has 2 more buttons that can be set to turn on the microphone, take a photo, turn on Wi-Fi, switch to time-lapse recording, turn on HDR, and power off the camera. It's a nice addition that makes the Dashcam even more useful. If you're worried about having to press buttons while driving, the A229 Pro also features smart voice control, which allows you to start, stop recording, take photos, and turn on/off Wi-Fi with simple spoken commands in multiple languages. It can also clearly notify you of settings changes or memory card errors with its built-in speaker, keeping you fully focused on the road. Another great feature of this Dashcam that Tesla's does not have is that it features a state-of-the-art quad-mode GPS module which supports 4 satellite positioning systems: GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS, achieving positioning faster and greatly improving positioning accuracy and stability. It provides detailed location, speed, and time data of the vehicle, which can be very useful in many situations. Lastly, I like that it has a 2.4-inch screen, so you can always keep an eye on what's being recorded while driving. As you can see, while Tesla's built-in cameras offer some recording capabilities, adding a Dashcam provides enhanced image quality, wider coverage, and additional features that significantly improve the safety and security. These benefits make it a worthwhile investment for any Tesla owner looking to ensure they have the best possible footage in the event of an incident. You can get the VIOFO A229 Pro for 5% off using the code MikeA229P via the link in the description or at accessoriesfortesla.com, the go-to website for aftermarket Tesla accessories, clothing, smartphone apps, and more. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more valuable Tesla content like these 2 videos. Until next time, peace.